Stop scrolling. Before you spend thousands of dollars on expensive real estate, take a look at this. In today's video, I'll show you 8 places in the United States where land can still be found around $1,000 per acre. These are the kinds of opportunities many investors search for before the general public discovers them. Stay with me until the end, because one of these locations could be your next land investment opportunity.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is David, and I work as a professional real estate dealer in the United States. Today, I am going to share an exciting land investment opportunity for people looking to buy affordable agricultural and rural land in America. In today's video, we will explore 8 different regions across the United States where investors often search for low-cost land opportunities. In some locations, land may be available around $1,000 per acre, depending on exact location, road access, utilities, parcel size, and market conditions.
Before we begin, remember that land prices change regularly. Always conduct your own research and verify all property details before making an investment decision. Let's get started. The first location on our list is Deming, New Mexico.
Deming is a growing community located in southern New Mexico. The area is known for its open landscapes, agricultural activity, and affordable land prices compared to many other states. Investors are attracted to Deming because large parcels of land are still available at relatively low prices. Many buyers purchase land here as a long-term investment. Some plan to use the property for agriculture, while others simply hold the land and wait for future appreciation. Imagine purchasing 40 acres at approximately $1,000 per acre. Your total investment would be around $40,000. Compared to many urban real estate investments, this is a relatively affordable entry point. The second location is Sierra County, New Mexico. Sierra County offers beautiful desert scenery, mountain views, and a peaceful environment. Investors looking for recreational land, retirement property, or future development opportunities often consider this area. Many people enjoy the low population density and quiet lifestyle. Landowners can use the property for camping, outdoor recreation, or future investment purposes. One of the biggest advantages of Apache County is affordability. Buyers can often acquire larger acreage compared to many other parts of Arizona. The fourth location is Castilla County, Colorado. Colorado is generally known for expensive real estate, but Castilla County remains one of the more affordable areas in the state. The county attracts investors from across America because of its mountain views and recreational opportunities. Some buyers purchase land here to build cabins or vacation properties in the future. Others simply view the land as a long-term investment asset. The fifth location is Elko County, Nevada. Elko County is famous for its wide-open spaces and rural character. Investors often look at this region because of its affordability and potential future value. Large land parcels can sometimes be found at prices much lower than in Nevada's major cities. As more people seek space, privacy, and rural living opportunities, regions like Elko County continue to attract attention. The sixth location is Fulton County, Arkansas. Arkansas has become increasingly popular among investors searching for affordable rural property. Fulton County offers agricultural opportunities, beautiful countryside, and relatively low land costs. Many buyers are interested in farming, livestock operations, hunting land, or recreational activities. For investors looking to diversify their portfolio, Arkansas can be an attractive option. The seventh location is Wilkinson County, Mississippi. Mississippi remains one of the most affordable states for land investment. Wilkinson County offers agricultural land, timberland opportunities, and long-term investment potential. Investors who are patient often look for undervalued land that may appreciate gradually over the coming years. The eighth location is Sargent County, North Dakota. North Dakota is known for its agricultural industry and strong farming traditions. Sargent County attracts buyers interested in farmland and rural investment opportunities.
Agricultural land has historically been considered one of the most stable real estate investments because food production remains essential regardless of economic conditions. Now let's talk about why many investors choose land over other investments.
Unlike stocks, land is a physical asset that you can see and own directly. No one can create more land. Population continues to grow, but the amount of available land remains limited. This is one reason why many experienced investors include land in their investment portfolios. Another advantage is flexibility. Land can be used for farming, recreation, storage, future construction, leasing, or simply holding as a long-term investment. However, successful land investing requires careful research. Before purchasing any property, make sure you verify property ownership records, property taxes, road access, utility availability, water access, flood zone information, zoning regulations, survey documents, environmental restrictions, future development plans. These factors can significantly affect the value and usability of the land. Many beginner investors focus only on price. Experienced investors focus on value. A cheap property is not always a good investment. The best investment is land that combines affordability, clear ownership, good access, and future potential. Imagine purchasing 50 acres for approximately $1,000 per acre. Your investment would be about $50,000. If the area experiences growth and land values eventually increase to $2,000 per acre, the property could potentially double in value. While future appreciation is never guaranteed, this example demonstrates why many investors are attracted to affordable rural land. Some investors buy land for retirement planning. Some buy land for future generations. Others purchase land simply because they believe it is one of the safest long-term assets available. Regardless of your goal, land investing requires patience. Real estate wealth is often built over years, not weeks. The investors who succeed are usually those who conduct careful research and think long-term. So if you are looking for affordable land opportunities in the United States, consider exploring areas such as Deming, Sierra County, Apache County, Castilla County, Elko County, Fulton County, Wilkinson County, and Sargent County. These regions continue to attract attention from buyers seeking affordable acreage and long-term investment potential. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed this content and would like to learn more about affordable land opportunities across the United States, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I regularly share new land investment opportunities, agricultural properties, rural acreage, and real estate. Insights from across America. Thank you for your support, and I will see you in the next video.